Long Bay. All right, we can leave then. Let's not waste any time.
Okay. All right.
He's gonna sit here.
I can hear myself again. Yeah, my name is Steve with a chop with a 30 on the creek. Got your girl when put it on my knees, and I tell them when I'm just running around to me. When I ride to the right to the five to the guy, I got your girl to the bottom of the mountain, then I'm around to the main, to the left to the fame, when I grab my around to the round to the main. Simming is out for the lock and I'm in a race and attack when I'm out to the main. Like and I show speed with a rot and a knock and I'm out totally. I want to rest in the cast of the mean, then a lot of the round of the dollar on me. Now I'm bending the country. I so be. You already know where I get to the me's. Wow. Man, oh man.
There we are.
Okay. This is clear.
Quite is clear.
Okay. We're flying.
3307. One copy.
I don't think I've never been in a helicopter where we're like running way. Whoa. A runway on a helicopter.
Off the runway like that.
I've never seen this before. What?
Runway takeoff on a helicopter.
I've never seen a runway. I never seen a runway takeoff on a helicopter. This is new for me.
Was it?